Hi guys, VST here, Valence Tech. Welcome back on my channel. Another very nice and very powerful feature that was before the One UI 2.5, but right now, a little bit revamped, and this is exactly what I'm gonna show right now. Boom, you press guys here, and then you have an access to an unprecedented menu where you can go home, regions where you can even power off your screen, and actually you can do quite a lot of things. So just let me show you guys. You can also access the volume from here. You can even take screenshots again, right? And I'm not sure if you noticed this, but you can access this feature from here, right? So just click here, right? Then you can go to another menu, guys. You have the notification panel, so you just press here, boom, notification panel, okay? And then you have the pinch menu, you have power menu, and you have plenty of settings. And I know that a lot of you are asking yourselves already, okay, where and how can I access this one? I'm just gonna show you guys. So you need to go into your settings menu, then scroll down until you can see here the accessibility. Click on accessibility, and then you have here something called interaction and dexterity. It was there before, but right now when you click it, guys, and you enable the assistant menu, right, you apparently can go here, right, can go to menu settings, and you can not only play with the transparency, show as edge icon. So you can actually select this to be as an edge icon. In the previous One UI 2.1 versions, it was like this, which was not so bad, but you had to drag it around here like an icon. Okay, right now, guys, in this version, you finally have the option to show this as an edge icon. So in One UI 2.5, this has been really revamped, and I just want to demonstrate to you some of the nice things you can do. Okay, so you are here in your gallery showing the picture, and you're with one hand. Okay, you can do like this for pinch to zoom, but also you can go here and you can choose pinch to zoom. And right now what you're gonna get inside here is down below, you're gonna get this very nice slider, right? So you can get like additional controls, and you can just see this pretty much emulates your hand. You can also get the screen control, so now I can just scroll to the menu without having to actually swipe. All right, very useful again. But guys, there are plenty of settings. So if you open the menu here and you go to menu settings, you go to assistant menu options, and there apparently also the brightness toggle or the magnify window. You can just go and drag them. So let's say I don't want to have the pinch to zoom, right? I just want to have the magnify window. I get it there. Now if I go like this, boom, I can magnify my screen, and you see it's pretty amazing. And again, the one-handed operation in Samsung, I would say, is a little bit better compared to what we have seen specifically in other phones, like also in iOS in iPhone, also in Oxygen OS, also in Xiaomi MIUI. So probably one of the best one-handed operation. There are also some very nice tricks. So if you go to menu settings, again, you can here customize the transparency. You can make it almost not appearable, right? A lot of people are asking, okay, but what about the edge here? The edge panel is here, right? But if you want to just have this on the other side, you can just take it and you can pin it wherever you want, right? I'm not sure, it will probably not work here. You can even actually pin it at the end here, right? So it's very convenient. All right, so you can pin it at the bottom, or you can pin it here at both left or right side again. So it is very nice. And if you're not really able to read that one, you can bring back the transparency, right? And then you can even go and you can even choose, a large icon. So if you put it like this, it's going to be a larger menu. All right, if you go really and want to go like with a very small and compact one, we can do it like that. Again, you have the notification panel. Let me just show quick access, right? Then here you can turn off your screen. You have also cursor, you have screen control, you have the recents and home and back, which is pretty amazing. And I think a very nice addition to the very small and neat tricks that Samsung enabled in the One UI 2.5. I really hope you like this video. If that's the case, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe for my channel, and yeah, just make sure that you visit for some nice quality content. VST over and bye.